Hi there, Miss Candice here again from Girl Scouts of Central California South. I'm the Girl Experience Manager and I'm here to teach you about sit-upons. All right, I have something to show you. Looks kind of rickety. That's okay. This is my sit-upon, and if you can tell, it has really been sat upon. Well, I'm gonna tell you the truth. I made it as a sit-upon, but it's actually been like my arch support for my chair for about 3 years, but I do use it when I need a sit-upon. So the idea behind the sit-upon is that when we have Girl Scout meetings and we have to get together, we may not have a lot of chairs. We might be outside. And we don't necessarily want to sit on the ground and get our Girl Scout uniform dirty, because those khaki shorts, pants, and skirts, they just don't come as clean as they, would have if we didn't sit in the dirt or the grass. I would always get grass stains as a little girl. Okay, so this sit-upon uses something that is reusable. It is long-lasting and durable, which is good because Girl Scouts make the world a better place and we use our resources wisely. So inside my sit-upon is some old bags. So remember when grocery stores give you bags and stuff like that, as long as they're not paper bags, you can probably stuff them in here. So that's what I chose to stuff into my sit-upon. Other girls have stuffed them with old newspaper, so like stacks of newspaper. You know, when your mom and dad get the mail and there's like, like some bills, some stuff, and then all of those like ads and coupons. Well, if you save those for a couple of weeks, you'll probably have enough to stuff your sit-upon. The only problem with my sit-upon is that it's kind of coming apart. I think it needs some first aid. So let me show you how to make a different sit-upon, one that's new. All right, so in your packet, you should have received an envelope that looks like this. Now the outside is paper and the inside is lined with, can you see that? Let's shine it towards the light. Bubble wrap. Now resist the urge to pop. Oh, I just did. Resist. Oh, I just did. Okay. Resist the urge to pop the bubble wrap inside. It's going to be hard. But you want that bubble wrap inside because that's what's going to cushion your bottom before you put on this on the ground. So you can put whatever stuffing you want in here. You can even use, I don't know, like a stained t-shirt or like something that has holes in it, like this right here. So this actually has a big moth hole in it that I tried to sew, but I didn't do a very good job. So it's kind of like not great to wear around. So I'm going to actually use an old piece of clothing as the cushion for this. So I don't want it to be all clumped up because then it'll be weird when I sit on it. So if I just stuff it like that, that won't be so good. So even if you're using a piece of clothing or a piece of paper, or if you have some like fluff that you want to use, you want to fold it and try to make it as even as possible, just like that. So I have kind of like an even package-ish. Okay, so then you're going to stuff your sit-upon. Ready? Okay. Oh yeah. Now we have a nice, pretty even package. Yeah, it's still open right there. So the reason why we give you girls a paper envelope and not the plastic one that I have, I actually reused this from a package that came to me, is because we want you to be able to decorate it. And it's really hard to decorate the plastic ones. So before we seal up our wonderful package of sit-upon, inside your envelope, your bubble wrapped envelope, you should have had a length of yarn. And this is actually your handle. So you can double it up like this, or you can leave it long. It's up to you. I'm actually going to double it up just so that I have a stronger handle. I'm just going to do a simple knot like that on the end. That way I have one closed end here because I have a knot. And you can watch one of my videos, other videos, will learn how to teach it some knots. And then you have your regular loop. So then all we're going to do is take this yarn, our little loopy yarn, put it inside. You see that? And then we get to do the most fun thing ever, which is take the seal off our envelope. And then we're going to seal it. So I'm going to stuff that down just a little bit. I'm going to show you. So you want to try to close this as straight as possible, which can be hard to do. Maybe you can get help if you need it. You can start in the middle or on the ends. It's really up to you. Nice crease. Get all that to stick down. Yeah. Kind of close it up real nice like that. And now I have a sit-upon like that. That's nice and long. I can stand up and carry it like my crossbody bag. But this also means that when I need somewhere to sit, I have a nice cushy space. If I left it like this and I went to my troop meeting in a couple of months, maybe I wouldn't be able to tell which one's mine. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to decorate it. You ready? So I have my color pencils here, but you can use whatever you want. If you have markers, markers are good. Maybe you use crayons. And you make sure that you draw on yours. Mine says, I love Girl Scouts. And I'm going to put my name on the back, Miss Candice. And maybe I use some of those stickers that I've been saving for some reason to decorate my sit-upon. So that's it. That's a sit-upon. And actually, this one's going to be perfect behind my back. All right, Girl Scouts, I look forward to seeing you again. Have a great day.